By clicking the link number 2 provided on my blog page, you'll get to this site. Here you look for an American English icon and click on it. You'll be brought to a flash window where you can discover and practice American English sounds. I'll give you an example how this tool can be used. Okay, here you can see 2 rows of tabs. The row above represents consonants and vowels. The row below gives a detailed phonetic description for sounds. Each tab is thoroughly defined here on the left panel below, so if you're interested, you'll soon get familiar with phonetic terms. But our purpose is to practice, so let's choose a tab. Let it be vowels, monophthongs, front. It stands for mouth position. Front vowels. On the left panel you can see phonetic transcription characters for the sounds. Pick one and click on it. On the central panel now you can see an animation showing how this particular sound is produced by the speech organs. Click on play button and watch the process of the sound formation. You can do it not once. You can opt a step-by-step description as well and follow every movement made in the mouse, like this. Now the right panel. It's got an example video of sound pronounced by the speaker and a few words with it for practice. So let's see how the native speaker pronounces this very sound. Try to do it yourself. Now you may try these examples. First here, then repeat. Eat. Week. Tree. Well, that's it. When you are done, pick another tab and practice other sounds. Thing. Toothbrush. With. Okay, happy studying.